What up, YouTube? Mr. Random checking in, gang. Y'all see what we messing with today. We trying to spray this with a fender and a windshield strip. So I'm trying to get this straight today. Today on this Monday. You see we got some dips right there. We wound up cracking it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take me some cardboard, put him behind here, and I'm gonna fill this up with resin and smooth it out to get that edge back. So if you're new, like the video, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all know we coming back with plenty more, guys. Y'all want to see something? Hold up. Oh, y'all see what's happening. It's been sitting out here cooking, baking, real dirty. Real dirty. We're gonna have to clean them up. But real wet too. I actually wound up scratching my fender a little bit, but I'll take care. We got some dry spots down here. I have to run me a stick or something, but shit. Can't go wrong with this game. The water. Oh yeah, baby. See what my scratch right here. Right there. Right there. Shit, Chad. Hell yeah, man. Comment, like, share, subscribe, baby. Y'all know we coming back with plenty more. Let's get it. Alright, guys. Y'all see, got a little fiberglass. I'm gonna add me a little resin to that. Not much, just a little bit. That's probably good right there. I'm gonna add me a little hardener as well. Y'all see that? I'm gonna apply that to our wing, gang. Y'all see, gang? I had to remove this. Y'all see that? So we have to, first of all, I'm gonna let him dry up. Probably fill it and clean it with a little binder and stuff. Get our shape back. And we'll be moving on to our strip as well. Alright, gang. Y'all see. There go the repair right there. See how straight that edge is, baby. Y'all see how straight it is. Put some prime on it. You see? Oh, yeah. Put some prime on that. We got our fender right here. We done block sand. Hit it with some 400. We got me a little can right there. Had some bare metal covers. Yeah, y'all see what's going on. Let's get it. Alright, gang. Y'all see, got some wax and tar remover right here. So I'm just gonna apply that to the rag and wipe all of our surfaces.